So hello again, it's been another delivery day here, and I'm pleased to say I've got 3 more 6-inch Black Series figures to open up tonight. I've got number 66, which is Kira on the Corellia outfit from the Han Solo film, the ever popular 67 Forlom from the Empire Strikes Back and the Bounty Hunters, and Clone Commander Wolffe. Ooh, there he is. So I shall now be unboxing them so you can have a good look at them, and see you soon. So let's have a look at Clone Commander Wolffe. I know there's lots of clone fans out there, and I know a lot of people have been looking forward to this one. Not part of the regular range, so this is an exclusive. I'm not sure where from. I thought it might be Toys R Us, but I can't remember, and I am too lazy to look it up. But yeah, nice picture on the front. There he is, looking mean, and you'll see all this in more detail in a minute, so I won't linger on that. The traditional Wolffe on the side, and again, I think they've got all these letters in. Yeah, it's good to see a full name in there. And here's the back. Standard back, no number. And it says Clone Commander Wolffe. Clone Commander Wolffe, clone designation CC-3636, served in the Clone Wars as a commander of the tight-knit unit known as the Wolffe Pack. A seasoned and battered combatant, Wolffe has witnessed some of the worst the war had to offer. Despite tragedy, he fights on bravely, proudly brandishing his battle scars and instilling loyalty amongst his men. What a hero. I seem to recall he worked under Plo Koon as well in the past. There you go. Right, time to get him out of his box and have a good look at him. So here we go, time to pop him out of his box. Good to see a couple of pistols in there. Let's get the old clone bucket out. And last but not least, the figure himself. There you go. Right, put that there. Alright, let's have a look to start with. So there he is. Fine looking figure. One of his eyes, as per the character, damaged, scars everywhere, nice scuffs, standard figure mould, looking all the clone that he ever was. Ah, there you go, there's the Wolffe Pack insignia, Dave Filoni's favourite, I'm sure. And we've got soft goods here, soft goods on the sort of chaps there, is that what it is? I think it is the chaps. Backpack there. Further insignias there. And joint wise we've got elbows, a little bit restricted. Shoulders. Head is left and right, this one, not an up and down. And again, and yeah, standard clone car, so a little bit restricted there. And moves around there. So let's have a quick look at the accessories. As I said, two of these little pistols. He'll be having them in his hands shortly. And then it is good to see removable helmets there. So that's really detailed. I don't know if you can see all that there. Nice detail on the helmet. Oh, that moves down so you can have a quick look there as well. All nice and scarred and scuffed. Yeah, really good looking figure. Happy with that. So enough of my waffling. I shall do some poses, get him some footage, and then you can watch it at your leisure. there you have it. Really nice figure, this one. I like this a lot. But the newer clone ones are looking really good. So hopefully you enjoyed the video. Plenty more to look at if you want to on the channel. Subscribe and you'll get updated when we post videos. We post unboxing videos when we get the product in. But you're guaranteed to get something every Wednesday and Saturday if you subscribe, because we cover events and we're making sure we're pushing out 2 a week. So thank you very much, and hopefully see you soon.